Students, JEE exam is near and we are going to see the best tips for scoring the best in the test. Since it is a computer-based test, be clear with the different colored buttons. Green stands for answered, red for not answered questions, white for not yet visited questions, and purple for questions marked for review, which can either be answered and marked for review or unattempted. Now the marking scheme. +4 for the correct answer and -1 for the incorrect answer, 0 for unanswered question. Now this is very important. Suppose if you answer a question incorrectly, then you lose 1 mark, -1, and you also don't get the +4 marks which you have got if you had answered it correctly. So the difference in the final score will be 5 marks. So take care, accuracy is very important in JEE, not the number of questions answered, but the number of questions answered correctly is very important. Follow the 2-round method. In the first round method, allot approximately 2 hours, do moderate questions, do questions which you are sure of and which do not require lengthy calculations. Also follow the 2-minute rule. That means if a question requires more than 2 to 3 minutes, skip the question and mark for review. Try to attempt around 50 questions in the first round. In the second round, revisit the questions which you had marked for review or the unattempted questions, and remember, accuracy is very important, so don't do a question if you are not sure of. Generally, chemistry is attempted first, then physics, and then maths, because maths requires very lengthy calculations and it is time consuming. But it depends on individual preference. So if you are good at maths, you can attempt maths first and then physics. Very important, time management. In the first round, you can devote 120 to 140 minutes. Chemistry requires the least time, physics little more time, and maths requires the maximum time. And in the second round, you can keep 35 to 45 minutes. Remember, keep at least 5 to 10 minutes for the final answer check. Follow these general tips and don't forget to keep an eye on the timer. So the final tips to score best is always stay calm and focused, follow all the instructions correctly, and remember negative marking is allowed. So accuracy is very important. For any technical problem, immediately contact the invigilator. In the next video, we are going to see the common mistakes in JEE and how to avoid them. So like and share the video and subscribe to the channel.